Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how to delete your Instagram account on a computer. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you want to do is go ahead and open any browser you want and go to instagram.com. Make sure you are logged in into your account, and finally once you have logged in, all you want to do is on the top right, you want to click on your profile icon right over here and go ahead and click on settings. Finally, once you have clicked on settings, on this menu here, you want to simply go ahead and click on help. And on help, you want to simply click on help center. Finally, once you have done that, over here, all you want to do is search for delete account. Once you have done that, you're gonna get this article which says delete your Instagram account. Click on that. So all you're gonna do is simply over here, you're gonna expand this which says instagram.com from computer and click on delete your account page right over here. It's a hyperlink. Now here, all you want to do is you want to select a reason why you are deleting your account, and once you have done that, simply go ahead and enter your password and go ahead and click on delete your account's username right over here. And finally, once you have clicked on that, your account is going to be then deleted within 30 days. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.